All right, so welcome to Unit 3 of the research methods. And this is actually the back of the Sherman Jen Building where our offices are, and actually our offices for the School of Tourism and Hospitality are right in there through that door. Of course, everything is locked up right now due to COVID, but this just gives you a bit of a sense. That right there, you can see behind me, is the new part of the building that they've just redone. Unit 3, we're looking at the research proposal. What are the key things you need to be thinking about when you're putting together a research project? And as you'll see if you haven't already seen them, in the slides for this week, the text will give you quite a good stage or step-by-step process through the whole developing a research project part. So instead of focusing on that and kind of rehashing everything that's in the text, I decided to instead talk about some of the broader things or some of the other concepts or ideas that you need to be thinking about when you're putting together a research project. So when you look through the slides, that's what you'll see. You won't see kind of a full, exact replica of what you find in the text, but that's fine because hopefully the two of them kind of work together. For Unit 3 also, if you take a look in the Moodle shell, one of the things you're going to notice is that there's a bunch of things called RFPs. And if you've never done anything with that before, an RFP stands for Request for Proposals. And quite often what will happen is organizations will have a research project that they need done. And so they will put out an RFP or Request for Proposals where you have an opportunity as a research consultant to do research and get paid for it from various organizations. So if any of you are interested, we can dive a little bit deeper on that, but that's what the RFPs are. Something else that you will see in this unit on the Moodle shell is there's two different videos. There's one video for all of the slides and one video for the case study on Lower Fort Garry. Just a very short, I think about 5 minutes long, just to give you a little bit of a background or an introduction to that, that case. Anyways, always good to hear from you and see your discussions. Where possible, especially starting this week, and especially with the case study, don't just think of each other as individual input or individual submissions, contributions to it. Start looking through, or make sure that you're looking through everybody else's contributions, everybody else's discussion points, and start to respond to what other people have put, ask questions, add on to what others have put, because that's where the real, the real positive of working together comes from, all of you building on each other rather than everyone having their own individual ideas on the way things should be. Anyways, look forward to seeing you in the discussions. Have a good one.